Next topic is the composite transformation. So basic purpose of the composite transformation is to gain the efficiency by applying the single compose transformation to the particular point. So rather than we can apply in the series of transformation one after another, we can combine all the transformation into the single composite transformation. So with the help of this, we can eliminate the n number of calculation here. So we can remove the complexity of calculation. So this is the purpose of composite transformation. In that we have to discuss about the rotation about the arbitrary point. About the RB point. So the rotation of an object, an arbitrary point, for example, we can take xp and yp value. This is your basic point. So we have to carry out the 3 steps to rotate that point with the help of arbitrary points. Okay, first step is here. Translate that point. Translate point xpyp to the origin. Origin. Next step is rotate it about the origin. And next step is finally translate that center rotation point back to its original position. So there is a 3 steps we can carry it out for arbitrary rotation. Okay. So the matrix multiplication is not a competitive, that is multiplying the matrix A by matrix B will be always the same result as a matrix B by matrix A. So therefore, obtaining the composite transformation matrix, we must be carefully to order the particular series of matrix so that they can compose it to the another. So this is the basic steps to carried out for the rotation about the arbitrary point. For example, if we consider the original point with the help of graph, this is your origin, x axis, y axis, x comma y, this is your first point, x p y p, x dash y dash, this is your theta value. So this is the rotation about the arbitrary point. So first step we can consider here. First we can translate or we can shift that original point to the origin. The first step is translate point xp yp to the origin. Okay. Then we get xp yp x dash y dash second step is rotate it about the origin. So we get the new rotation point. This is your xp yp point. This is x comma y. This is x dash y dash. Angle of rotation means theta. And last step is, third step is translate that point to the original position.
Then we can get this is your xp pi p x comma y x dash y dash. Okay, this is the steps we can consider for the rotation about arbitrary. So first we consider the matrices which is used for the translation rotation. Okay. So basic matrix of the translation is T is equal to 100 010 Tx Ty 0. Sorry, 1. This is your translation matrix with the help of homogeneous coordinate system. But when we translate the object from original location to that origin, we can replace that matrix with the help of negative sign here. So this is the matrix which is represent to translate object to origin. Next matrix for the rotation. Cos theta sin theta 0 minus sin theta cos theta 0 0 0 1. This is your rotation matrix. And third step is the translate that object back to its original place. So we get normal matrix which represents the translation Tx Ty 1. These three matrices which is used for the rotation about the arbitrary point. So now we can combine that combination of matrix to form the single one. So first we consider the matrix of the translation about the origin, then rotation matrix. We can first find the multiplication product of that two matrix. After that, we can combine the result of that two matrix into the last one.
मॅम ब्लर दिसतंय.
Okay, wait, we can share. Okay, so observe the image which is there on your WhatsApp window. We can consider the three matrices which is used to follow the three steps to rotation about the arbitrary point. First one, translate the object to the origin. So we can convert a normal translation matrix with the help of negative sign is here. Then rotation matrix and normal translation matrix. So we can find the composite matrix with the help of combining the three matrices. So first we have to take these two matrices. आता हे दोन matrices आधी घ्यायचे, याचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन, याचं आन्सर फाइंड आउट करायचं, नंतर त्याचा रिझल्ट मल्टिप्लाय करायचा ह्या मॅट्रिक्सची. ओके, सो देन वी कॅन गेट cos theta sin theta 0 minus sin theta cos theta 0 minus tx cos theta plus ty sin theta plus tx. And next term is minus tx sin theta minus ty cos theta plus ty. And last is 1.
This is the resultant matrix when we multiply three matrices. Okay. आता हे सॉल्व करून दाखवायची गरज आहे का मॅट्रिक्स मल्टिप्लिकेशन? जसं मॅन्युअली आपण न्यूमरिकल्स मल्टिप्लिकेशन करतो, सेम वे वी कॅन अप्लाय ऑन दिस मॅट्रिक्स. Okay, so this is your composite matrix. Now we can consider one example here. Perform the counterclockwise 45-degree rotation of an triangle A 2 3 B 5 5 and C is 4 3 about the point 1 1. This is your translation point. So we can take the above matrix, resultant matrix of the composite rotation about the arbitrary point, cos theta sin theta 0 minus sin theta cos theta 0 minus tx cos theta plus ty sin theta plus tx. Next term is minus tx sin theta minus ty cos theta plus ty and 1. Put the point in this matrix. So cos 45 sin 45 0 minus sin 45 cos 45 0. Then what is the value of tx is 1 and what is the value of ty is 1. So minus 1 in bracket cos 45 plus 1 sin 45 plus 1. Here minus 1 sin 45 minus 1 cos 45 plus 1 and 1. We can only plot the or put the value of tx, ty and theta. So we can get what is the value of cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. So 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2, 0. This is minus side, minus 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2, 0. Here minus 1 into 1 upon root 2 plus 1 into 1 upon root 2 plus 1. Again 1 into minus 1 into 1 upon root 2 minus 1 into 1 upon root 2 plus 1 and 1 is here. You can solve the multiplication is minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon root 2 plus 1. ही टर्म का होईल कॅन्सल होईल. ओके, फक्त लास्ट टर्म कन्सिडर करा. देन मायनस 1 अपॉन रूट 2 मायनस 1 अपॉन रूट 2 प्लस 1. मायनस मायनस काय झाले प्लस झाले मायनस रूट 2 प्लस 1. ओके, दिस इज युअर रिझल्टंट व्हॅल्यू आणि लास्टला 1. सो वी कॅन गेट द न्यू इक्वेशन इज हिअर 1 अपॉन रूट 2 1 upon root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 1 upon root 2 0. Here we can get 1. Here minus root 2 plus 1 and 1. This is the resultant matrix which is the answer of rotation about the arbitrary point with the help of composite transformation. Okay, आता याचा बेनिफिट काय झाला, मला सेम प्रोसिजर करायची असती. ओके, तर मला काय करावं लागलं असतं, ह्या व्हॅल्यू घेऊन त्याला आधी ओरिजिनला ट्रान्सलेट करावं लागलं असतं, म्हणजे सिंगल मॅट्रिक्स मल्टिप्लिकेशन. अगेन त्याच्या रिझल्टंट मॅट्रिक्सची मल्टिप्लाय करायला लागलं असतं रोटेशन मॅट्रिक्स. अगेन वी कॅन कन्सिडर द रिझल्ट अँड मल्टिप्लाय विथ द ट्रान्सलेशन मॅट्रिक्स.
सो मला खूप नंबर ऑफ कॅल्क्युलेशन्स करायला लागले असते. बट विथ द हेल्प ऑफ कंपोजिट ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन वी कॅन रिड्यूस द कॅल्क्युलेशन अँड कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ the matrix multiplication with the help of composite transformation. So it is the benefit of that, or the advantage of composite transformation is here.